While you're worried about house prices on Earth, the 0.1% are already buying land on Mars. In March 2026, SpaceX and Blue Origin have quietly started reservation rights for lunar and Martian territories. Is this a scam or the biggest wealth transfer in human history? The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 says no nation can own a planet, but it says nothing about private corporations. Proof. The Artemis Accords, signed by 40-plus nations, now allow companies to extract space resources. This has turned space dust into a multi-trillion-dollar asset class. Why the rush? Verified data shows that a single asteroid, 16 Psyche, contains enough gold and iron to make everyone on Earth a billionaire. The billionaires aren't going to Mars for a vacation. They are going to control the supply of the next global currency. Space isn't the final frontier, it's the final bank account. To learn how to invest in the companies leading the space race, check the pinned comment.